Everyone, welcome here Learn Basics. This is Vishnu. So in today's video we will see that how we can update our VLC media player. So I'll tell you in simple steps, so keep watching this video till the end, okay, so that you can keep remember each and every step, so that you can update your VLC media player. So let's start video. So before I proceed the video, one important point is you'll get videos in two different languages, Hindi and English, on my channel. So let's begin the video and let's see that how we can update our VLC media player. So for updating the VLC media player, you don't need to go anywhere. Keep searching on Google that where is the official website. This facility is given within the VLC itself. Okay, where in help section, as you can see in the top ribbon, there are so many options are available. Okay. First is media, second playback, audio, video, suitable, tools, view, and help. So we need to click on help. Okay, this facility is available in help section. So when you will click help, you will get three options: help, check for updates, and about. Okay, so as you can see, we are going to update the VLC, so we need to click on check for updates. Simply click on that. Okay, so if there is any update, so we'll see start searching for updates. As you can see, it is written here, launching an update request. So you need to wait for a moment, depends on your internet speed. Okay, so just wait for a moment. So as you can see, a new version of VLC 3.0.10 is available. If you wanted to update, simply click yes over here, and it will start updating the procedure. Downloading this. It will start downloading the updates. So as you can see, it is downloading now. Okay, so you need to wait, depends again on your internet speed. As you can see, it is written here, the new version was successfully downloaded. Do you want to close VLC and install it now? So if you wish to install, simply click on install, and it will close, and your updates will start now. Now, do you want to allow to make changes or device? Simply click yes over here, and it will start installing the updates. Click next. Upgrade VLC using previous setting recommended. Okay, simply click next, and your installation is begin now. So as you can see, the installation is completing VLC media player setup. Now you can click finish, and your installation is completed. Okay, now simply click VLC media player, and it will open the updated version for you. So as you can see, here is the updated version of VLC media player. So this is how you can update the VLC media player within the VLC media player. You don't need to go anywhere, in Google to search out the official website and all. So this is very simple and easy. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. In case of any doubts, so write in the comment section. We'll meet in the next interesting tutorial. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.